In this video, I want to talk about subtracting integers. So as I talked in the last video, we're going to use the algebra tile. So I'm defining, or we are going to accept that this negative tile is -1 and this green tile is +1. Okay, so before I start, I hope you understand that -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That means you have a negative tile and a positive tile. They cancel each other out. So this is what it means in a diagram. So this is your -1 plus this is your +1. So this is in a diagram. So this is -1. That means it's a red tile, and this is +1. And if you have a negative and a positive tile, they cancel each other out and you get a 0. That's one thing we can understand, or we are going to accept. Okay, so let's start with the first example. Okay, how would you do +3 or +4 take away +3? Now this is very easy to understand. So you basically here, this is nothing but asking what is 4 take away 3, and most of you, or you should know, this is 1. But let's do this using the algebra tiles. So you got from 4 tile, so this is your 4 tile. From your 4 tile, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 4 tile, you're taking away 3 tiles. Okay, that means you are canceling this tile. So you got, this is take away, and what is left is 1. Okay, so this is pretty easy. So let me take one more example. Say if it is +5 take away +2. That means basically here you're asking the question, what is 5 take away 2? And that is 3. Okay, 5 take away 3, 2 is 3. So if you want to explain that in a diagram, you got 5 tiles. 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So this is +5, and you're taking away 2 tiles. So you're taking away 2 tiles. So what is remaining is 3. This is easy. But what happens? So let me cancel it. I want to use these tiles. I want to cancel it. Okay, now this is where the problem happens. What if you have -2 take away +4? Now you have -2 tiles. So let me, if you want to do this as a diagram, so how will you do it? So you got 2 negative. This is -2 in a diagram or in a picture. This is what this -2 means. Now from this, you cannot take away 4 tiles, 4 green tiles. So it's difficult to understand visually here. So here, what I was saying is, as I explained in one of my previous video, this means taking away means you can write this as an addition. So this is same as asking the question, what is -2 plus -4? If you change this operation of minus to plus, you have to change the number that comes after the operation, which is +4 to -4. Okay, you change the operation and you change the number. You change the number that comes after the operation. So this is the operation plus, I want to write as negative, or from negative I want to change this into positive. Sorry, from minus I want to change this into plus, or from subtraction I want to change this into addition. So this and this are one and the same. So here you're asking the question, what is -2 plus -4? So this, if you want to show a diagram, so here you're asking what is -2. So you got, this is what it means. This is -2 plus -4. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show this on a calculator. So this is negative 4. This is what it means. Negative 2 plus negative 4. That means that is negative 6. You got 6 red tiles. It stands for negative 6. So let me show this on a calculator. This is a simple, this is a graphic calculator. So let me show you. So this and this are the same. So let me go to menu and run. So first we said negative 2, or this is minus 2. Okay, let me, yeah, minus 2 or negative 2, take away. You can use the same sign, plus 4. Let me scroll this slightly up. Oops. I want to see the equal to sign, equals negative 6. Or if you go negative 2 plus negative 4, oops, I want to go negative 2 plus negative 4 equal negative 6. Okay, so let me again cancel this whole thing. Okay, the next question. How would you explain negative 5 take away plus 2? Okay, so let's start with negative 5. So you've got 5 negative tiles. 5 negative tiles, so this is negative 5. Now from these 5 negative tiles, you can't take away 2 green tiles. It's impossible. So here, how are we going to explain this? So you can't take away 2 green tiles from 5 red tiles. But I can change this negative to a positive. So, well, this is same as writing negative to 5 plus. When you change this operation of minus to plus, you have to change the number that comes after the operation to the opposite number. So the opposite number of plus 2 is negative 2. Now you can add negative 5 plus negative 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring 2 red tiles. You can add, this is negative 5. This is plus, I want to add negative 2. So negative 5 plus negative 2, you've got 7 lots of red tiles, which is negative 7. Okay, so let's use a calculator. First, let's understand this. Negative 5 take away plus 2 equals negative 7. Or if you go negative 5 plus minus 2 or negative 2 is also minus 7.